We are back with the seats. There's a guy that wants to come and pick these up, so I want to go ahead and do the video on trying to clean these up a little bit, at least just the bottom back cushion. I'm glad that you can see on camera kind of the little stains and stuff. These seats are not bad at all, but I did want to see just what a simple little cleaning brush kit off of Amazon and some soap and water could do. So I did this section right here. I did these panels over, and in person you can tell a difference, but not so much on camera. So we're gonna kind of concentrate on this area here where you can see the little spots and stuff on camera really good. So let's concentrate on this area right here and getting it clean, and then looking at a before and after. So I'm going to snap this before, and then afterwards we're going to do another picture so y'all can kind of see the difference, and I'll let you know about how long it takes to do so. So the part that I learned about doing this part over here is you don't need a lot of water. I would just kind of mist it lightly, something like that. I feel like the least amount of wool you use, the better it's going to be, and the quicker it's going to dry. And I mean, there's really no method to it. It's just kind of work it around into it. And I'm just using soap and water. I'm not using anything strong. So I'm gonna get y'all set up and probably put y'all on a time lapse and see these stains kind of disappear. And just like that, in less than a literal 5 minutes, look how much better the seats look. That was literally 5 minutes, and they look a whole lot better than what they did. I will have links to the kit that I bought in the description below. It came with a good amount of stuff. And it wasn't, I think it was like $10 or something like that. And then, like I said, this is just water and Dawn dish detergent. Like it doesn't take a lot of water. So just put a little bit on it and then kind of work it into it. And if you think you need some more, add some more. But you definitely don't need to soak. Oh, it came with a drill attachment. I didn't know that. But you definitely do not need to soak it. Like I said, this is just barely damp. You don't need to soak it at all. So like if you got worse stains, then of course you might need something a little bit stronger, maybe some Awesome or some Mean Green or something. But this is literally just soap and water. So yeah, I'm gonna finish up this side, and then I'll be back when the whole bottom cushion is done. And just like that, that was probably 20 minutes to clean up this back seat. And this looks good. Like this is a very acceptable back seat, if I do say so myself. I mean, so you clean up the rest of the seats like this, and you have a really good deal for some seats. And speaking of really good deal for some seats, I posted these up for sale on Facebook Marketplace, and there's a guy that's going to be here in about 45 minutes to buy them. So I guess you'll see in a couple of episodes why I sold these. But yeah, guy's coming to look at them from Virginia. Hopefully he likes them, pays me, takes them, and I'm going to take that money and put it right back into the Caprice because got a lot of other stuff that need to be bought for it. So yeah, hopefully I can get a video as they are leaving the premises. So if you do have probably any cloth seat that has some stains on it, some minor stains anyway, this is a good option for getting your seats clean because these look a whole lot better than what they did about 20 minutes ago.